Yeah, you want to fly it?
No.
Listen, the battery could go back a little further because I'm having to ride the elevator pretty good.
Is that as fast as we can go?
No, I'm just trying to trim it a little bit.
Okay.
Still dropping the nose some.
Yeah. That guy wasn't selling them at the sale last sale we had, remember? Yeah, I looked for him. I was thinking about buying Preston one.
I would buy him probably the kit, let him build one.
Well, he is. He's building that kit. He painted it yesterday. Did you get the...
Yeah, I saw that. Looking forward to seeing that thing fly, though.
Yeah. He's learning a lot from building that thing, you know?
Yeah.
So,
that's what I figured, to teach him a little bit about aeronautics. You sure you don't want to try it?
Yeah, I'm sure. That is so nice, though. Yeah, I saw you fly it after you figured out the CG once before, and it did really well, and it was a little bit windy. And I don't think you had any trouble at all with it.
Well, I can tell you, I've got another one that's made out of lighter foam material.
Yeah.
It's like the same type of foam board, but they took the paper covering off. And it's probably half the weight as this one, and it flies circles around this one. This one is, I mean, it flies okay, don't get me wrong, but it's kind of a pig up there.
Yeah. Well, I've got a speed controller coming in.
It came with one, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. I don't know, I was thinking about testing that new one out on it. It's FMS. And it was like, I don't know, 15, 20 bucks for a 40. For a 4-cell one. And I don't have an extra in stock. But anything I crashed. So I thought, well, I'll go ahead and order a bunch of stuff from Amazon anyway. It ought to be in there too.
Is that where you get most of your RC stuffs off Amazon?
I knew it was there. I'd seen it. I saw it when I was looking for parts for my CJ.
Right.
And I got to get that nose gear. I get home and it's just constant caroling. That's all I can say. She's asleep right now. And I can't move unless she's right next to me.
Well, she's probably scared, Jim.
Yeah, oh yeah, I'm not complaining. Except when we got a small kitchen in that house, and boy, 2 people in there, I have told her to get out of the kitchen. Carolyn, you're going to have to get out of the kitchen, you know?
Yeah, as I wouldn't want to see her get hurt, you know, touch a hot pan on the stove or something like that.
I'd step into her, and if I got a hot pan and something and did that, we'd have a problem with me.
Right, exactly.
So, but she doesn't understand. Last night she asked me, we were in bed, she said, are you going to leave me tomorrow morning? And I broke down and said, yeah, I think I'll go fine, but I always tell her, I'll be home before you get up.
Yeah.
But the other morning, yeah, it's just been a mess about the last 2 weeks with her. So, and I feel sorry for her. Took her to the doctor. Did I tell you about that?
I don't think so.
Back Thursday, talked to him again Friday. I said, well, take her in and get another x-ray. I said, okay. Got there at 1 Friday afternoon, and they never called me back on it.
Yeah, medical profession, man. Yeah. We got the best medical care in the world if you get shot or you get stabbed.
Yeah.
But if you go in for anything other than a trauma, you take your life in your hands every time you go in there. You could literally go in there for a sore foot, and they'll cut your arm off in a surgery.
I've got a pretty good doctor, but anyway, they never called me back, and I called them about 5:30, and I got the answering service, and I just told the answering service, talk to them. They even called me back. The last thing I said was, if she gets that bad, I'll just take her to the emergency room. But she hurt yesterday, not as bad as she has been. Oh, that was perfect.
Yeah, I'm lazy. I don't like walking far.
Yeah.
All right, F-22 foam board. Thanks for watching.